In a small, peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old man named Samuel. Samuel was known throughout the village for his wisdom and his favorite saying, "Whatever happens, happens for a good reason." One bright morning, as the villagers were going about their daily chores, they noticed that Samuel's beloved horse had run away. They rushed to his house to offer their condolences. "Oh, Samuel, we are so sorry that you lost your horse." "This is terrible luck," they exclaimed. Samuel, with his usual calm demeanor, replied, "Whatever happens, happens for a good reason." The villagers were confused by his response, thinking it strange to find any good in such a misfortune. They went on with their lives, and a week later, to everyone's surprise, Samuel's horse returned with a magnificent wild stallion by its side. The villagers gathered again, this time with joy in their hearts. "Samuel, you were right. Losing your horse turned out to be a blessing. Now, you have 2 horses." Samuel simply smiled and said, "Whatever happens, happens for a good reason." The villagers were amazed by his outlook on life. They believed that Samuel had some sort of mystical wisdom, as every situation he faced, whether good or bad, was met with the same phrase, "Whatever happens, happens for a good reason." One day, as Samuel's son was trying to tame the wild stallion, he was thrown off and broke his leg. The villagers gathered again, expressing their sorrows. "Samuel, your son's injury is a terrible misfortune," they said. Samuel, true to form, replied, "Whatever happens, happens for a good reason." The villagers couldn't understand how a broken leg could ever be considered good fortune. But a few months later, war broke out, and the king's army came to the village, conscripting all able-bodied young men to join the battle. Samuel's son, with his broken legs, was spared from the war. Once again, the villagers came to Samuel, this time with gratitude in their hearts. They said, "Samuel, your son's injury saved him from going to war. You were right all along." With a warm smile, Samuel responded, "Whatever happens, happens for a good reason." As the years passed, the villagers learned to embrace the wisdom of Samuel's words. They realized that life's a series of events, some seemingly good and some bad, but all interconnected in a greater plan. Samuel's unwavering belief that everything happened for a good reason reminded them to stay hopeful, even in the face of adversity. And so, in that small village, the saying, "Whatever happens, happens for a good reason," became a guiding principle, teaching the people to find the silver lining in every cloud and to trust that life had a purpose and a plan, even when they couldn't see it. Moral of the story: in the tapestry of life, woven with threads of joy and sorrow, hope and despair, every moment serves a purpose. Embrace the belief that, whatever happens, happens for a good reason, for within life's twists and turns lies the beauty of its grand design. Trust in the journey, and you will find the silver lining in every cloud, the wisdom in every challenge, and the grace in every blessing.